my god. Alrighty. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jane. I'm so excited about this project and all the future things that are gonna come from this. So I've been working on this for a little bit now, and like slowly, I feel like I haven't made like a big announcement, but I really haven't been like super secretive about it, I guess, especially on my Instagram. So I'm very excited to like actually fully make an announcement post about it. So I am officially launching an interactive workout program. It's gonna be hosted through Patreon. So it's not what I like typically thought of when I thought about a Patreon page, because I listen to a lot of podcasts and their Patreon page is just kind of like extra content that has to do with that. But this is actually going to be an interactive fitness program for you guys. So we're gonna go through the breakdown of what it is, how much it costs, what the program is focused on. So stay tuned to learn more, and I'm just so excited to like finally be sharing this with you guys. So like I said, I decided to go through Patreon just because they have so many amazing tools and they do a lot of the back end stuff that like I'm not that good at. What I'm gonna be doing on there is launching fitness programs. So they're gonna be progressive programs. It's gonna be a 4 to 6 week program depending on kind of like how the Mondays in the month fall, because we'll always change up our programs on a Monday. And I wanted to do this also through Patreon because it's a really good opportunity for you guys to like talk to each other. If I post something, you guys can comment, reply to it, so you can actually meet new people through this, which is something that I really wanted to make sure that this was going to be a community project. I didn't want it to be so like sterile. When I started working on the ebook, I was really excited about it, but the one thing that I felt was missing was that there wasn't like a community that you guys could actually like do it together, talk to each other. I wanted to talk to you guys, see how your progress was going, be able to answer any questions that you might have along the way. So that's why I think the Patreon page is going to be just so amazing, because it has all the tools to be able to do that. I talk a lot about progressive programming, progressive overload. I know with myself and with my clients, I have found that that is the absolute best way to get results. I worked really hard for results for a really long time, and as soon as I started actually doing a progressive program, they came like that. But I know that it's not always the easiest thing to program, especially because like we're all so freaking busy that we don't have the time to like look up how to make a program specifically for this goal. So I want to take the hard part out of it and leave the fun part to you guys. This is also going to be an amazing way to stay motivated. We're going to do weekly check-ins to make sure that you're on the right track. You'll also be able to talk to each other, motivate each other. Something that I've already posted on there was like a June calendar, and then you write your goal at the top and you set that as your background. So just little stuff like that that's going to help you stay motivated throughout each and every month. This is also going to be a place where I can provide you guys with really solid information in a more like intimate, interactive setting than YouTube is. What I love about Patreon is that it really is like set up to be a community. It's really set up for everybody to communicate and talk with each other and get to know each other. So if you have any questions along the way, why are we doing this? What is this for? How is everybody's progress doing? All of those things are going to be available for you there. So it's like having a fitness community and a personal trainer in your pocket at all times. And the best part about the whole thing is that you get all of that for a fraction of the price that you would anywhere else. So the way that Patreon works is that when you decide to become a patron, you get to decide which tier you want to become. So I'll give you guys a breakdown of what you get in each tier and also how much it's going to cost for the entire month. So we have 3 different tiers, and each tier is a different price and comes with different perks. The VIP patron is the top tier, and you get the most perks out of that one. So for this month especially, because I'm putting all of these on sale, this is the tier that I would like highly recommend, because you're gonna really see everything that you could possibly get. So when you are a VIP patron, you're gonna get 5 weekly workouts. So that is 5 workouts a week for all of June. So I think that's a total, we have 5 weeks in June when it starts on a Monday. So you're gonna get 25 workouts throughout the entire month. Each week is gonna build off of one another, so it is a progressive program. And when I send out the weekly workouts, if you see like an exercise you don't really know, maybe you're unfamiliar with it, if you just click or tap on that exercise, it's gonna redirect you to a video, and I'll be there explaining the entire thing. I'm gonna cue you through it, tell you why we're doing this, what it's working. So it'll all be there in your program every single week. That will always be like the base of what we're working with, is the workouts. But on top of that, the VIP tier is also going to get playlists, phone backgrounds, challenges, recipes, motivation tools. We'll do Q&As together, all kinds of stuff that's going to help you guys stay motivated and reach your goals. So the VIP pricing is normally $25 a month, which if you break that down is around like $1 and a little change for every single workout. So that's like $5 to $6 a week for all of your workouts. But for June, this tier is only $10. I know a lot of people are going through some financial stresses. I really wanted everyone to be able to like fully experience the Patreon before we go into July, and maybe if you decide to do a different tier, I want you to at least experience what that top tier is going to be like. The next tier is the all access patrons. This tier is going to receive 3 weekly workouts, but everything in those workouts is the same. So all the workouts are again going to be progressive. You get the workouts at the beginning of every week, and if you don't know an exercise, you click tap on it. I'll be there. I'm gonna cue you through the exercise so you know exactly what you're doing. You can feel comfortable with the form. This tier is also gonna have some access to the things that the top tier gets. You'll have access to any of like the challenges we do, maybe a couple recipes here and there, so you'll get like a little sprinkle of what that top tier is all about. So this tier is normally gonna be priced at $15 a month, but for June, again, we're putting it on sale. It's only $5 for the entire month. The June program has 5 weeks in it. That is $1 every week for 3 workouts a week. It's crazy. It's wild. So then the last tier that we have is the official patron tier. This is gonna be the lowest tier. I suggest this for anybody who's like, I don't really know. I just want a little taste, see if I even like the workouts to begin with, see if I like your style, you know? So this tier is gonna get just 1 exercise a week. Those workouts again will be progressive throughout the entire month, and you also have access to those exercise breakdown videos. So this tier is normally gonna be priced at $5, but in June it is priced only at $3. So if you just want a little taste, you're getting like your weekly workout is like in the cents now. I'm not gonna do that math, but $3 for June. Like I said, each month is gonna have kind of like a different focus, but we're all gonna be working towards this main goal. So like a couple, I don't even know, like a month ago, 2 months ago maybe, I just asked around on my Instagram and was like asking about people's fitness goals, kind of thought about the goals that I most commonly see at the gym. One of the biggest goals, especially for women my age, is just to like lose some body fat and gain some muscle. Just get that more defined look. That's like the physical goal that we're gonna be working towards, along with shaping our mindset to focus on health first, make healthier choices in the kitchen, make healthier choices in our day-to-day lives, and really think about our future selves, making the healthiest choice that we possibly can in every aspect of our life, and really just constantly try to level up, not only physically, but also mentally and emotionally. So for our first month, we're gonna be focused on endurance. Endurance is always an amazing place to start. That's where I like really starting off with pretty much all of my clients, because it's just such a good place to start. So June is going to be all about endurance, and I'll be giving you guys all the tools on how to stay motivated through a progressive program, especially while working out at home. This whole program is going to be all body weight, because what I've really learned in quarantine is that no matter how much or how little equipment you have, you can still do so much and you can still reach your goals with only body weight. I'm seeing it with my clients, I'm seeing it with myself, I'm seeing it everywhere. As long as you're motivated and consistent, you can still reach your goals. Our first program is officially going to start on June 1st, which is this coming up Monday. But if you join in May, you won't get charged until the 1st of June. So I have some fun posts up there already to help you get started and help you get excited for the next program. If you guys have any questions about the Patreon, feel free to comment them below, or you can always DM me on my Instagram at Jane K. Simmons. If you decide to join the Patreon and you want to see something else out of it, let me know. I really want this to be a place for you guys, and just a place where we can chat and come together as a community and really help each other level up. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, stick around, join the party, join the fam. My Patreon page is linked below, and I will see you guys in June.